Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the Clio back in because there's a battery fault or something to do with the alternator. So there's a previous garage that have done it, so we'll have a little look into that. We've also got the wiper motor there to be fitted. I'm also going to do a quick little head gasket test on it. Apparently they were melted. Well, they don't look melted to me, but we're going to take the battery cover off first. It's already been in there, isn't it? Let's be fair. Leaving that should be right. I'll leave that there. I don't want to be touching too many things. Right. Testing the battery now. Regular battery. This is a 500. Testing now. It says battery worn out. So that might not help because the battery is crispy. Now we're going to test the head gasket at the beginning of the test and see if it changes colour. Didn't say there was a fault going to turn up, but I couldn't. He did say there was a warning message about the battery, so we'll replace the battery and see what happens. As you can see, there's nothing on the dashboard about it right now, but he said it could be half an hour and there's nothing. Still nothing, I reckon. It should be fine, boys. It hasn't changed colour at all, so I reckon there's no issues with the head gasket, boys. So we're going to have to replace the battery and head gasket's alright. I'm going to tuck this wiper motor. I reckon just remove the scuttle panel, it should be there. I did notice that wire looks a bit stretched, so that could be a root cause. We'll just have to see. Oh, let's zoom in a bit better. There we go. It looks a bit stretched and a bit bent. We'll just have to reconnect that pipe as well, which is different. I've checked wipers, they do not work. Replaced the motor, but now the linkage is crispy, so that's fun. The linkage is seized. Borrowing one of the loan vehicles today, as I've had to leave the Clio here, waiting for the wiper linkage to turn up, but I'm going to drive the brand new Swift home, so it should be alright. But it's an automatic, so it could be worse. could be manual, because I don't want to be driving something like when it's just dailying it. So it's alright with it being auto if it's just dailying. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll probably make another video, part 2, getting all the bits put onto it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. And remember, guys, if Cabbage can, you can too.